This Flex 15. I don't even remember the exact name of it, but it's been going for about a month, 9 months now, maybe a year, and I haven't even cleaned the glass yet on this, but I keep pulling out a lot of growth, so it's mostly crypts in here, some Anubia, and that right there, that's a fake plant, and this wood is fake wood. And I cleaned up the wood because it had a lot of moss growing to the point where I couldn't see the wood. So I got rid of that, let it grow again. And you could see some of it growing over here. But no, I haven't done anything with this tank except pull extra plant life. And it's the original filter. I haven't even cleaned the filter, to tell you the truth. It's very low stock. I started with 4 Danios, and only 2 are left, and he's a bully, so the other one hides a lot. I may have to pull the other one out. It's the original light, and I did put another light under here. I don't know if you could see. There's another light in there, but I never use it. I don't want algae starting. But yeah, you could see through the tank. There's virtually no algae on the glass, and I never clean the glass. So it's really good tank. Water change, I've done water change maybe 1 a month, or just a gallon, just to add some minerals back. And in the back filter I have a bag of it's like aragonite, crushed coral, just to give minerals in there. And the big sponge filters in the back. And that's it. And every now and then I'll give it a squirt of what's the name of that fertilizer, Simple Green or something like that, from Aquarium Co-op. And that's it. That's all I do with this tank. The substrate is black diamond. And this is starting to grow something. I don't know even what plant it is. I have no idea. I had some shrimp in here. They passed. They were just ghost shrimp. And the ghost shrimp I never had any luck with. I'll have them for 3 or 4 months and they're gone. So maybe I'll put some cherry. This tank would be nice for some cherry shrimp. I'll see what I do with it. I've been neglecting my tanks, really. Just let them run themselves, add evaporation, and pulling out excess clump algae, because I do get clump algae and a lot of growth that I pull out. I guess that keeps the glass clean. All right, anyway, thanks for watching.